So I came up with a new theory about engraving with vectors. To make sure that you can try new things, well, we'll see how it goes. So if you see over here, when we take two different vectors and we put them together, we end up having an open space in the middle here. So in theory, we've got our two vectors here. In theory, this part here with two vectors overlapping, this will not be engraved where these will. But we don't know until we try. So as my theory goes, I was correct. Wherever you've got an overlapping vector, the middle piece where it joins will not be engraved, causing an inverted color. And yeah, I think it looks really cool and my theory worked.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.